Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss project presentation zeroth review about hand gesture robot for bomb detection. My name is Parmeshwar Aradhya and I am from mechanical department from SVCE. So contents of the presentation are introduction, literature review and references. So coming to the introduction. Nowadays, need for military robots have increased enormously. Many people have lost their life by stepping onto underground bombs, and our robot is based on hand gesture and a remote-based operated. It is operated by human interaction through hand gestures and sensors. We mainly use it. It is mainly used in highly security conditions. Our robot can substitute humans by performing many dangerous functions in hazardous areas, uh, and many other activities can be operated by our robot. It is very lightweight, maybe less than 10 kgs, so it does not react to the bomb. So we can use a robot instead of animals and humans. There are two types in this robot. One is data collection and another one which changes the object. The our robot is based on bomb detection. We use different sensors and buzzers. We can also further modify this robot for other military applications. Literature survey. Our my first literature survey is about bomb detection and disposal robot. Uh, so our pros of our for our project is the wireless cameras are used and buzzers are used. Human navigation commands are used. In this literature survey, what are the risks taken while detecting a bomb is finded, and by using this paper, we have some pros and some cons of this paper are for our project is it's a manual detection method and manual disposal may harm the militant. Next one is Interpol review of detection and characterization of explosives residues, which is a recent paper. In this, our pros are Forcenic analysis used for detection of explosives. Forcenic means they use device for there is a device for forcenic analysis which can sense bombs and chemicals under the ground. It is made specially for bomb, and the G20 200 device is used for detection. It is used by Mexico military people for detection of bombs. And cons of this projector, it is very expensive method of detection. So my next literature survey is about smart home monitoring system using ESP32 microcontroller. From this, pros of our project is increase security. We can have more security for the robot using the robot and automation. It is automatically controlled by humans using hand gestures and remote access is there for the robot. Cons of the paper are privacy is not peak level and cost is more. Uh, that's it. And our next literature survey is about hand gesture recognition robot. From this literature survey, we have taken hand gesture recognition technique, which uses hand gestures like if we raise our hand, it moves forward, and make it down, it will become it will go reverse. Like that, we can control the robot. Capturing the pictures, it uses camera for capturing where the bomb is, and when the bomb is detected, it captures the images. Uh, then cons of this project are takes time to learn the gesture language. Means it will be sensitive to the gestures robot, so we need to sensitively approach the robot for movement of the robot properly. If not calibrated, may not detect the hand gestures. If it's not calibrated properly, we cannot detect the hand gestures. That's it. And next literature survey is about thermal sensor for contactless temperature measurements, occupancy detection, and automatic operation of appliances during COVID-19 pandemic. Uh, Pros of the paper are cost effective. This project is cost effective and detects explosives from distance. And it uses thermal sensors, which is an added advantage for our project. It is accurate and reliable. The cons of the paper project are it is only used for a limited range, prone to false solution, required frequent maintenance. So maintenance is one of important for the robot, and it should be maintained properly. Otherwise, it may damage damage the internal parts. Sensors. So my next literature survey is about sensors. So using these sensors, we can detect the explosives. Metal sensors are there, thermal sensors are there, chemical sensors are there. So we are going to use a metal sensor and a thermal sensor, or else metal sensor and a chemical sensor. It's a reliable method for detection of bomb. And uh, the cons of the project are problems in differentiating different types of explosives. So sometimes it can detect a metal piece also, and it can detect any chemical also. So it may give false information. So that will be a disadvantage if possible. So my next literature survey is about hand gesture surveillance robot. Uh, the pros of this project are minimal setup cost, can be easily used in hazardous environment, more data collection. Since we use ESP32, it has more data compared to other microcontrollers. Cons of the project are it can be easily fooled since it is in earlier stage of development, inaccurate. And my next literature survey is about vapor sensing of explosive materials. It is a effective way to detect chemical and non-destructive testing method. It can trace even the amounts of explosives. The cons of this paper or project are negative results may occur, time-consuming process. It consumes a lot of time to collect the data and sense it. These are my references for my project, and can just look into the references. There are many of them. See, okay. Thank you, guys.